Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine oil on your Audi A4 B7. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. You will also need new engine oil, a fresh oil filter, and a new drain plug washer. Park your vehicle on a level surface and let the engine cool down slightly for about 20 minutes before you begin. This ensures safety and prevents burns. Next, it is time to drain the old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, typically found on the lowest part of the oil pan underneath your vehicle. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch all the used oil. Using your wrench, slowly remove the drain plug. Allow ample time, usually about 10 to 15 minutes, for all the old, dirty oil to completely flow out into the pan. This step is crucial for a thorough oil change. Once the old oil has drained, it is time to replace the filter and refill. Use your oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter and reinstall the drain plug with a new washer, ensuring it is snug. Finally, add approximately 4.5 liters of new, manufacturer-recommended engine oil through the filler cap. This is a critical step for engine health. For the final steps, start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute, checking for any leaks around the new filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine and wait 5 to 10 minutes for the oil to settle. Then, use your dipstick to check the oil level, adding more if needed to reach the full mark. Remember to properly dispose of the used oil and old filter at an authorized recycling center. This ensures environmental responsibility and completes your oil change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.